أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على خير خلق الله نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه. So previously we covered the rules pertaining to Noon, Sakin, and Tanween, which are إظهار, إدغام, إقلاب, and the last one is إخفاء, concealment, right? So here she's pointing out where Sister Karima is pointing out here where the Noon, Sakin, or Tanween may look different, or the tanween may look different depending on the ruling that it has. So she says changes in the writing of the tanween with different noon sakin rules. You may have noticed that the tanween changes slightly in the way it appears from one word to another. You guys notice that?
Yeah. No.
Right. The tanween appears different with different rules. When the first letter of the word following the noon ending with the tanween is an idhar letter, the tanween with fatha, kasra, and dhamma are aligned evenly with each other and directly over and under the last letter of the noun. So with the fatha, kufuwan ahad, directly aligned. That indicates idhar. Shay'in alim, that indicates idhar. So there's a dhamma on the bottom and then a dhamma on top, directly on top. The dhamma that's on the bottom looks like a waw. The dhamma that's on top looks like a dal, an upside down dal. So can you guys see that?
Where's the dhamma on the bottom?
So there's two dhammas, one on the bottom and one on top. They're both on top of the hamza.
Right.
Both dhammas are.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But one is bottom, the other one is on top. You guys see that?
Yeah.
So with the noon sakina and idhar, the noon sakina is going to have a sukoon. The noon sakina is going to have an actual sukoon. If it's not idhar, the noon sakina is not going to have a sukoon. The tanween with a fatha or dhamma or kasra are not aligned over each other and are not directly over the letter in the case of an ikhfa or idgham rule. There is never a shadda on the next letter when the rule is ikhfa. رزقا لكم. So the fathatain are slanted and not directly on top of one another. ريب مما ظلمات ورعد نارا فلما شيء قدير عمي فهم. The second fatha, kasra, and dhamma of the tanween is written as a meem, or small meem, and the first letter of the next word is a ba, meaning there is an iqlab. And this kind of exemplifies how the second vowel of the tanween is the noon indicator. So because this noon is changed into a meem, the second vowel of the tanween is changed to a meem. Alimun bima kafirim bih. These differences should aid the student in determining which rule to apply when deciding. So it helps. Summary of Nun Sakina rules: إخفاء, قلب, إدغام, and إظهار. Here the word إدغام does not have a dal. That's a printing mistake. So إظهار, همزة, ها, عين, حا, غين, خاء. إدغام, ينمو, لام, راء. القلب or الإقلاب, الباء, الإخفاء, all remaining letters. That's pretty straightforward. The rules pertaining to the non-voweled meme, known as أحكام الميم الساكنة. So أحكام الميم الساكنة are the same as أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين, with only one difference where there's no إقلاب. Now remember, إقلاب or قلب is changing the noon to a meme. So with the meme, it's already a meme, so you don't need to change it. You guys follow?
Yes.
طيب أحكام الميم الساكنة. تعريف الميم الساكنة: هي الميم الخالية من الحركة وهي التي سكونها ثابت في الوصل والوقف. The definition of the meme sakina: it is a meme free from any vowel and which has a fixed sukun when continuing reading and when stopping. Fixed sukun when continuing reading and when stopping. This excludes the meme that was originally without a vowel but obtained one because the next letter also had a sukun. It also eliminated from the meme sakina rules is the meme at the end of the word that has a vowel but obtains a sukun because we are stopping. We only stop with the sukun when reading Arabic, never with a vowel. The meme sakina, be in the middle of the word or at the end of the word. It can be an ism, a noun. وَلَهُ الْحَمْدُ, that's the example. وَلَهُ الْحَمْدُ, or in a fi'l, قُمْتُمْ, or a particle, harf, أَمْ لَمْ يُنَبَّأ. Included in the meme sakina rules is mimul jama', the plural meme. A meme sakina at the end of a word can sometimes, but not always, indicate a plural, such as the possessive their, or your, or them, such as lakum, which means for you, plural, or lahum, which means they have. The meme sakina has three possible rules. Al-ikhfa, which is the same rule with nun sakina, but here is al-ikhfa al-shafawi. So it's the oral ikhfa, or the lip ikhfa. Al-idgham al-saghir is the second one. Al-idgham, which also coincides with the ruling of the nun sakina, or tanween, idgham. But here is al-idgham al-saghir. And the reason why it's called saghir is because the meme sakina is sakina, has a sukun. It's a small idgham. A major idgham would be if the meme had a vowel and then was merged into the following letter. Like for example, وَاتَّخَذَ قَوْمٌ مُوسَى. Originally it's قَوْمُ Musa, right? Meme with a dhamma, and then another meme with a dhamma, قَوْمُ Musa. So if I merge the two memes into one another, that would be considered a major idgham, a major merging. So al-idgham al-saghir is the minor merging. This is the second rule. And the third rule is al-idhar al-shafawi, right? The oral idhar. So the first rule of meme sakina is oral concealment, al-shafawi. So تعريفه في اللغة الستر, linguistic definition, it's hidden. Concealment is hide. تعريفه في الاصطلاح هو النطق بحرف ساكن عار عن التشديد على صفة بين الإظهار والإدغام مع بقاء الغنة في الحرف الأول وهو هنا الميم الساكنة. The applied definition is to pronounce, or the pronunciation of a non-voweled letter stripped of any shadda, characterized as between pronounced clearly and inserted or merged, idgham, with the gunna remaining on the first letter, which is in this case the meem. So the first ruling is ikhfa. And there's ikhfa when it meets the ba. Its letters, it has one letter, which is the ba. If a meem sakina is followed immediately by a ba, and this does not occur except between two words, we then hide the meem with an accompanying gunna, nasalization. This is called ikhfa shafawi. It's called ikhfa because the meem is hidden or concealed. It's called shafawi because the meem is articulated from the two lips. When pronouncing al-ikhfa shafawi, we close our lips on the meem, then separate them with the ba. Close our lips on the meem, separate them with the ba, maintaining a gunna during this. So it is therefore not idgham, nor is it izhar. Because with idgham, you close with a meem and you open with a meem. With izhar, you close with a meem. And then you pronounce the following letter. With ikhfa, you close with the meem and you open with the ba. Lip in Arabic is shafa, but the word shafawi is also used for oral. Al-ikhfa al-shafawi thus is translated as oral concealment. Examples. إن ربهم بهم ترميهم بحجارة وما هم بضارين به. I'm going to try those examples. إن ربهم بهم.
إن ربهم بهم.
إن ربهم بهم.
So what happens is you close your lips, but you don't press. So they're barely closed. إن ربهم بهم.
إن ربهم بهم ترميهم بحجارة
ترميهم بحجارة.
ترميهم بحجارة
ترميهم بحجارة
وما هم بضارين به. وما هم بضارين به.
وما هم بضارين به.
وما هم بضارين به.
وما هم بضارين به.
You guys have any questions?
Not yet.
So we'll end with that. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ولا إله إلا أنت استغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.